Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking for that perfect classic knee-high stiletto boot? I have found the perfect one. These are by COLETER. I am so in love with these. First of all, they are totally gorgeous. They have that classic stiletto look. The black leather is so pretty. I got them in a size 8.5, which runs true to size for me. They have a very easy zip up and down. Had no problem with that. I've had boots before, you probably have too, where the zipper gets a little stuck. Not the case with these. And they even have this really beautiful faux fur lining, so that makes these good even to wear in the colder months. Now, I'm gonna be real with you. I have what I would categorize as pretty beefy calves. And in the past, when it comes to knee-high boots, I've kind of struggled with them not being super comfortable on my calves, but these were not the case at all. They fit so great, and they have a little bit of extra room around my calves, so I can very comfortably wear these by themselves with a skirt, but then I can also wear them with skinny jeans, with leggings. They look great with so many different outfits. It's a way to instantly dress up your outfit, instantly add a little bit of sass and sophistication. For stilettos, they are easy for me to walk in, of course, because they're that boot, so I have an added support. I think that they are the perfect height, both in the heel and also where they sit just below my knee. So if you are looking for a classic stiletto knee-high boot, I say look no further. I am so impressed with the excellent quality of these boots. They are totally gorgeous. I am in love with them, and I think you will be too, but that's just my point of view.